Women are created to be weak on the outside but much stronger on the inside than men. Did you know? The human body can only withstand pain up to 45 del, but when a woman gives birth, the pain she feels reaches 57 del, equivalent to the pain when 20 bones are broken simultaneously. Is this what the woman said is weak? Oh no, you're wrong. First, women love compliments. Women's really likes praise, especially from the people she loves. They will feel special to the person they love, whether it is their own lover or husband. Praise makes a woman's heart happy and flowery so that her bad day can also turn into a good one. Second, mood changes suddenly. Women are very famous for their mood swings. Extra when the moon is coming. This is because women have a soft heart compared to men, and also a trait that is twice as sensitive as men. When too happy or too sad, they will easily shed their tears just because of the feelings in themselves. Third, women's memory is stronger than men. Women's memory is so strong that they can remember small things clearly even though it has been a few years ago. This is because women always focus on everything that happens in their lives, whether it's a serious matter or a trivial one. Likewise, when you break your promise, she will demand until you apologize and appeal to her. 4. They can mask sadness. Women are such great people that they can cover their sadness, disappointment, pain and tiredness with a smile and a laugh. Others must have thought she was fine while her heart and mind were being destroyed, but still they remained calm and relaxed. 5. They easily overthink. A woman is a person who is easily discouraged. Even when you are busy, take some time to update her if you are busy. Even though at that time you were working but did not announce the news, they will think that you no longer consider them as important people in your life. Not only that, they may also think that you don't love her anymore and have someone else to take her place. 6. Easy to fall in love and easy to lose faith. Women who don't have a partner and rarely have romantic relationships are very easy to fall in love with. Use sweet words and little promises to convince them, then they will fall into your arms easily. This is because women are easily deceived by words that praise themselves. But opposite to a woman with a broken heart, it will be difficult for her to fall in love again and meet new people. She will think that all men are the same and will lose trust just because she was betrayed in the past. 7. Girls are complicated. Women like something that makes their heart happy, for example food. Women like to eat and make them happy, but did you know that women are very afraid if they gain weight? They don't like diet but their favorite is food. It's clear that woman is complicated. 8. Easily jealous. Women easily feel jealous. There are many things that make women jealous, for example seeing other women who are more beautiful than her. Seeing other people happier than her, and most importantly, being jealous of seeing her lover with another woman. 9. Love sulking. Almost all women like attention. They will do anything to get attention, especially from the people they love. Among them by sulking. In this way, they want to be persuaded and caressed like a person who is loved and special. However, there are also women who do the opposite of the following facts. Women are very complicated, so if you are a man, treat your woman as she deserves, because a woman will only show her side to the right person, the one she loves, which is you. In the next video we will talk about interesting facts about a man. That's all I'm sharing this time. Thank you for watching and hope it's useful. See you in the next video.